Hello, my friend. When should I use a or an? An is the indefinite article in English. They mean one. You say a tree, a shirt, a cloud, an apple. The difference between a and an is that we will use an after the sound of a, e, I, o, u. It's not the vowel, it's the sound of one vowel. The sound of a, e, I, o, u. For example, if you see the word university, it starts with a vowel, U, but the intonation is U, two vowels, I, U. So you're going to use a university. Elephant, the sound is clear, only one vowel, E, an elephant. Now I'd like to ask you to complete with a or an. University, uniform, apple, internet connection, MP3 player, mosquito. Comment here. Thank you very much. I'm Felipe Gibi. See you next class. How to improve my speaking.